How to create boards in Monday.com. First is to open your web browser such as Chrome, and then go to Monday.com and sign in with your account. Once you have signed in with your account, simply click on the plus button under My Workspace and click on New Board right here. And then you may change the board name right here. You may choose the privacy to main, private, or shareable, and choose what you're managing in this board. So you may choose items, campaigns, creatives, and etc. If you cannot see the thing that you want, then you may customize one. And then simply click on Create Board found on the lower right, wait for it to load, and then once it is done loading, you may now have your new board. Simply click on OK, got it. And now you have this new board right here. You may customize all of it, and then that's it. That's how you can create boards in Monday.com.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.